This is the first Christmas campaign that we are running under the Real Magic philosophy, which we launched a few weeks back, a very exciting campaign. And the platform invites all of us to celebrate the reality and the real humanity coupled with magic. Christmas is a special time for all of us. It's a time to share good cheer with our loved ones, with our friends, with our families. And I think this year has been a bit different, seeing that COVID has not made things much easier for us. So today, the idea is to kick off Christmas in a fun way, and hoping that we all bring good cheer to each one of us and to the Kenyans that would be bringing joy as we end this year. I was grateful to hear that we have one of our distributors here who's been with us for 34 years. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you to our customers, to the small shops, to the retailers who've supported us this year, making sure that our consumers enjoy our products each and every day. As we kick off the caravan, which will not just be in Nairobi, we're going to kick off the caravan outside Nairobi. We wish you all the best. You will be seeing and enjoying a lot of Coca-Cola products, and we call each one of you to continue staying safe. We wish you the very best. Enjoy as much as you can, but take good care of each other.